Working in Dreamweaver and have a CSE code snippet file to import? These are reusable code snippets for Adobe's web development tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Dreamweaver code snippet files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful CSE troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A reusable code snippet file used by Adobe Dreamweaver, a professional web development application. These files contain blocks of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other code that developers can quickly insert into their projects. Users create CSE files to save time and maintain consistency across multiple web pages. The CSE file is an XML-based text file. This human-readable format was chosen to make snippets easy to create, edit, and share among developers. The XML structure defines the code block itself, along with metadata like the snippet's name, description, and insertion logic within the Dreamweaver environment. Most users will find that Adobe Dreamweaver, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated, is the best tool for CSE. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers text-level visibility but not runtime functionality, which must come from external tools. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your CSE file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Dreamweaver if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your CSE file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for the CSE error before we apply the universal fix. First, importing into Dreamweaver. Place CSE files in Dreamweaver's Snippets folder, typically located in your user configuration directory under Adobe Dreamweaver. Restart Dreamweaver or refresh the Snippets panel to access imported snippets. Drag snippets into your code editor to insert them at the cursor position for quick code reuse. Next, sharing code libraries. Share CSE files among team members for consistent code patterns across projects. Distribute the files via shared folders or version control. Recipients import snippets following the standard procedure, ensuring everyone has access to organizational code libraries and best practices in web development workflows. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Modern web development has largely moved beyond Dreamweaver to tools like Visual Studio Code with snippet support. Convert CSE snippets to VS Code snippet format, which uses JSON syntax. Open CSE files and text editors to extract code content, then create equivalent snippets in your modern development environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.